Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Black Myth Wukong sorry something went wrong. And guys, unfortunately there is no one fix to fix this problem. I will show you the multiple method to fix this problem, so you just need to apply them one by one and see which work for you and which fixes your problem. So first just click on the game, which is the Black Myth Wukong, and just click on the gear icon you are seeing here. And once you click on that, you will see the properties on the last. Click on that. Now here guys, just click on the install file just like so. Click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game. Then you have to simply fresh restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, after this, if your problem is not fixed, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here you will see your Black Myth Wukong game launcher. So you can right click on your game launcher, go to its properties, and then go to the compatibility and check this box or the compatibility mode. And guys, this is very important. Then choose here the Windows 8 and also check this box or the run as administrator. So guys, your game has a test to modify all the files. Then simply apply this and just open up and play the game, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then you just need to update your operating system. Go to the Windows setup, hit the update and open it. Because the unupdated operating system will also causes the issues like this. And guys, if Windows update is not the problem, then the problem is your unupdated graphic cards. So guys, you can go to the Windows setup with the device manager and open it. Here you will see the display adapter. Simply open it and update your graphic card. And guys, if you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then simply open up the NVIDIA software and update your NVIDIA graphic card. If you have the AMD graphic card, then open up the AMD software and simply update it. After that, guys, you have to simply restart your PC, and after the fresh restart, if your problem is not fixed, then you can simply uninstall the game. After the uninstall, you can simply install the game again. This will definitely fix your problem. And I hope guys one of the solution work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.